So, we have always read Mahabharat in a patriarchy way, with a men's voice. But what if we read Mahabharat in women's point of view? Yes, you heard it right. A Mahabharat, but in Draupadi's voice. So, we are always told that Mahabharat is a war which was fought between the families itself, a war which was fought between Dharma and Adharma. But in this book, you will get to know a lot of things. That Mahabharata is not only about war, it teaches you so many great lessons. A very important lesson which I get from Mahabharata is friendship. We all considered Karn as a bad person. He fought against his family to support a sinful friend. But wait, can you think for a moment that he helped his friend? He proved his loyalty towards a friend who supported him in a time where his own family rejected him. How tough it was for Arjun to fight against his own people, जिन्होंने लड़ना सिखाया, जिन्होंने उंगली पकड़ के चलना सिखाया. He fought against those. So it's not easy to fight against your people, but when it comes to wrong, you have to fight. In Mahabharata, everyone has talked about dharma. Dharma is this, dharma is that. But where was the dharma when the five husbands could not do anything for her wife, could not take a stand for her wife, and she was being disrespected by Duryodhan in front of the whole Sabha? Like, imagine, you are talking about Dharma. Where is Dharma at that pace? So this book just broke me out in a lot of sense. There are a lot of small things which you're gonna pick it in this book. And also in Mahabharata we have talked about the war, but what if after the war? What were the things after the war? When the book explains after war conditions, you know what? I just cried. I cannot, I cannot digest the conditions. What happens in the war? Pandu Putras were the only one who left, but what they saw? Dead bodies of their persons, dead bodies of their children, dead bodies of their important persons in their life. And then dead bodies of several people जिनकी गलती भी नहीं थी. They were just fighting for their kingdom. Like, and to rebuild the whole empire when no man is left is something which is very tough. I personally like this book. Like, you just clock it, brother. I cannot explain how much depth this book contains. So if you want to read Mahabharata but with a different perspective, with a POV of a woman, there are a lot of things which I am not telling you in this book or in this video, obviously, but you will definitely get the detailings which are on top. So please read this book if you are interested in mythology, if you are interested in a woman's perspective of Mahabharata, you want to read it, go read this book, you will love it.